So back at it the next day. I just took everything off. This is the one that was on here. This is the piece that fucked up last night. I have another one right here from my performance machine ones. These are stripped. Got another set of them on the way in the mail. So I'm gonna use this one with the stock ones. Put these back together. Get it going. Finally got these shifters working perfect. Got the stock ones for now. This will work until I get my package in the mail of the new things, baby. But I'm about to go for a little ride. Go hit these stairs. Go work out and probably go buy Hog Park Pros. Try to get some breaks for me and my boy. But yeah, stay tuned. This view is crazy. Just came to Culver City stairs to work out. Culver City, the overview of the city. It's nice. Made it to the top. Sick. This view is sick. Super nice. Hog Park Pros. There go, baby. They got all the parts. Everything you could think of. Everything here. This is 26, huh? I ain't gonna lie, it's kind of bigger than a 26.
If I'm not mistaken, this one should work though.
Hella parts. Look at that combo. All custom. Got my boy some brakes. About to have him do his. I gotta do my front brakes. Then we cruising tonight. Check out that green Harley. That's nice. Nice glide. Nice green too. About to go riding solo tonight. About to slide out somewhere. Last night I ended up going riding. I ended up going riding through Long Beach, over the whole city after I left the stairs and all that. I still haven't even done my brakes. I gotta do that today for sure. Yeah, man, we looking real bad right now, but we about to get this thing right. But yeah, man, I'm trying to get it in. Get these motherfucking runs in, dog. Been trying to ride while I can, because really we're supposed to be in Arizona right now, but all this virus shit going on is crazy. That's why I'm glad I went to Bakersfield. Was fun as hell for my first run. Supposed to make San Diego, but I ended up working on my head with the exhaust boat and all that stuff around that time. So I'm glad I got to go while I can. Most likely do me an oil change too pretty soon. The last time I ended up putting oil in that dipstick, man, I had put a little too much. And I was on the way to my brother funeral with all white on, dipstick shot out, oil was everywhere. Thanks to my boys, they grabbed it for me, but that was a learning lesson. I think what I'm gonna do is try to drill a hole to keep the dipstick down. From what I've been talking to people who've been riding with more experience than me, they're telling me it's like a common problem. So I'm gonna get that handled, because I don't want oil fucking flying on me. Ain't be trying to ride fly on this bike, man. Not oiled up. That's out. But yeah, man, that Bakersfield ride for sure was hella cool. 105 to the 405, just bumper to bumper, splitting cars the whole way. But that was definitely one of the best rides I went on. Coming back through that grapevine, though, for sure, was no joke. Freezing cold. And I didn't even have my leg warmers on, too. That's another thing why I immediately put them back on. That shit really showed me, man, you got to stay prepared for this weather. For real.